Good evening, everyone. I'm Shavin C. Parmar, the founder of the Young Minds. I welcome you all today on this live program where we are celebrating the success of all our students from class 10th and 12th. As the results are out today, and I acknowledge my sincere thanks and regards to all the wonderful students whose results have really impressed everyone. So to begin with, I would like to invite the topper student from class 10th, Ananya Singh Parmar, with a score of 97%. Please give a loud round of applause to Ananya Singh Parmar. Ananya, please come. So anything you would like to share, Ananya?
Hello everyone, myself Ananya Singh Parmar, and as today we have got our results. I have secured 97%, and I'm really grateful for the support of the Young Minds family. I've been a part of the Young Minds since class 8, and since then I have seen drastic changes in my personality. And I would just like to say that whatever you do, just be honest with your work, and the results will come out to be great. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ananya. Now I would like to invite another student, but before that, let me tell you one thing, let me clarify one thing, that all our students are wonderful. So don't feel bad about anything if someone has not got a very great percentage. It hardly matters in your real life. Real life works on your confidence, the way you take failures and you keep moving in your life. So that's more important, my dear students. So please don't take anything so seriously by heart that if you have not been able to achieve the dream percentage as you thought of. So now let me invite another student, Ananya Rathore, for 95% from PMS Public School. Please come.
Hello everyone, myself Ananya Rathore, and I have scored 95.6, and I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to sir and all the friends who have supported me throughout this journey. And I would just like to say that consistency matters a lot through this process, and setting up daily goals and keeping the goals and doing it with focus and completing it within time is very important. And also keeping the passion regularly while doing the work is also a lot matters.
Thank you very much. A big round of applause for Ananya. Now I have a very shy student of mine from KCM, Mr. Akshat, for 90%. Please. Akshat, what would you like to say? Please tell us.
Hello everyone, myself Akshat Mundal. I am a student of class 10 and I have scored 90% in class 10.
Anything else? Yeah, please carry on, Akshat.
Sir has supported me very much, and from beginning I was not like today. I worked so hard for this.
Thank you, Akshat. Thank you very much. Okay, now we have another student from Gandhinagar Public School who was really an average student when he came to us, and but his performance has really, magnified so much once after joining the Young Minds Center. And let us call upon Mr. Aditya. Aditya, please. So Aditya's percentage is 87%, and in maths you scored how much?
92.
92, in science?
99.
99. Great. Please, what would you like to add? Please, Aditya, please tell
Hello
us.
everyone, I am Aditya Singh, and I secure 87.4 percentage, and I will say that sir is very helpful and make our studies simple as possible. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Aditya. Thank you very much. Now we have another student, Mr. Suryansh from KCM, and Suryansh scored 80%. He's a wonderful boy, but he's at times, get distracted. Otherwise, he's a charm to work with. Please, what would you like to say? Please.
Hello everyone, my name is Suryans and I have joined the Young Minds in my class 9th, and from there I have seen a consistent progression in my academics, in my attitude, everything. Sir helped me a lot. Thank you, the Young Minds. Today I scored 80% just because of sir hard work, my parents hard work.
Thank you very much. Okay, now we have who is there? Divya. Divya, please come. 72% Divya, and you also 22%. Okay, what would you people like to add? Please tell us. Yeah. Yeah, please you tell us.
Hello everyone, I am Yati Uppalai. Today I have scored 72%. The Young Mind is a platform where we simply simplify learning. Here we did group discussions and make flow charts. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay. Now, apart from doing, wonderful in 10th standard, there are students from class 12th also who have remarkably scored well. So to begin with, I would like to call my favorite student, Khushi. Khushi, please come. Aru, you hand over this phone to her. Please let us clap for Khushi. She secured 84%. She's from PMSO school, physics, chemistry, and biology. Yeah, please, what would you like to add?
Hello everyone, myself Khushi and I have scored 84.6% today. I'm a part of Young Minds since 4 years and I have seen drastic changes in me. By being a part of Young Minds, we have like my confidence, I gained a lot of confidence and not only I have transformed myself not only in academics but also in extracurricular activities. Now I'm more confident. As well, it needs a lot of consistency, a lot of hard work to bring such a good percentage. And I wish for
Thank you, Khushi. We wish you all the good luck. Bright future. Keep going, keep moving. And I remember lines from Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habits. Where mind is led forward by into ever widening thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. So let us keep moving and doing good things. The Young Minds, we are situated at A540 Lajpat Nagar. We have a dedicated Facebook page and a YouTube channel which is consistent for the last 5 years. And our admission process is really tough. We do not take students, whoever comes to us. We have a very strong filter system. We don't believe we are for toppers. We are for everyone. We are for the students who are underperforming and we handhold them, we develop them on daily basis. We are strict at times, but we ensure you that we are producing excellent academic results, and apart from that, we are also focusing on life skills where we teach a student about confidence, about purpose in life, about kindness, about passion, about how to take failures and all. So having such a wonderful team, all of you, I am really proud that I am associated with all of you, and there are so many young students who have come to us, who have recently joined us. I wish you all the good luck. And one more thing I would like to add, please Mr. Saxena, you come here. So I would like to acknowledge Mr. Vansh. He's in 12th now. He recently passed 11th and he's a topper of Gandhinagar 11th class. And when he came to us, he was really an underperforming student. So can you believe that through discipline and daily small goals, you can do wonders. So please clap for Mr. Anything you would like to add? बोलना चाहेंगे मैंने आपको इसी बुला दिया सरप्राइज. I'm so sorry. Anything you would like to add? चलो कोई नहीं. Okay, all the best. Shradhika, you would like to add anything? Okay, thank you very much. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It was wonderful. And Aryaman is left. Aru, and Stuti is also left. So Aryaman, let us move to Aryaman Thakur from Cripple Public School from 12th standard, secured 82%. Please, Aryaman, please come.
Myself, Aryaman Thakur, and today I got my 12th standard board examination results and I secured 82%. At TYM, I see many drastic changes in myself, not only in academics, but I have improved my personality also and all it measures.
Thank you very much. All the best. Good luck to you, brother. Good luck. Now I have Stuti. Stuti, please come. Stuti again comes from Gandhinagar Public School. Recently, she joined us in 11th class, a biology student, right? And secured 72%. Anything you would like to add, Stuti? Please carry on.
Hey everyone, this is Stuti. I secured 72.80% in my class 12. Sir helped me a lot in my studies.
Okay. No issues. Let us all clap for each other. Come on. So thank you very much, all my wonderful students. Keep working hard, keep going, or don't give up. Don't give up. Things will change. लगातार लगे रहो, and when you fall, please get up again. Life never ends. Keep on moving, right? Thank you very much. Thank you.